Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Passat. This Volkswagen is powered by front-wheel drive i5 engine, automatic transmission, and has 90,317 miles. Drive in style with this 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Enjoy a perfect blend of comfort, safety, and fuel efficiency. With low mileage and a sleek design, it's the ideal choice for your next adventure. Don't miss out, schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned Passat comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Volkswagen Passat is equipped with Bluetooth navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.